Welcome, fam. If you woke up feeling heavy, tight, and drained before the day even began, you're not alone. But in just 5 minutes, we're going to rebuild your energy from the ground up. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with 2 powerful moves stitched into one, because your spine needs movement, not stiffness. Begin in downward dog, hips high, heels driving gently toward the ground. Flow forward into cobra, chest lifted, elbows slightly bent. Breathe deep and move with control. You're going to feel a pull from the calves all the way to your hands in downward dog, and then an expansive opening across your chest in cobra. I promise this flow lubricates your spine and fires up your deep core, setting the tone for better posture today. Beginners, keep knees bent in downward dog. Advanced stretches flow slower, holding each position longer. Do you know that moving between flexion and extension like this actually reboots your nervous system? Yep, now you know. 1 more full breath, hold for 5 more seconds. Feel the difference in your spine already? If not, slow down and exaggerate your breath through each move. That just unlocked your spine. Now let's activate one leg at a time to build strength and stability while stretching even deeper. From downward dog, lift your right leg high, keeping your hips square. After 30 seconds, switch to the left leg. You're going to feel a stretch through your hamstrings, calves, and even your hip flexors. I promise, single leg movements challenge your balance, forcing smaller stabilizer muscles to wake up. Beginners, bend the lifted leg slightly. Advanced stretches, point your toes and reach even higher. Did you know that one leg balances improve brain to body communication faster than leg movements? Feel your lifted glute working yet? If not, flex the foot off your raised leg slightly for more activation. That just fired up your hips. Let's ground deeper now. We're stacking mobility and control to open everything from ankles to hips. Squat down, keeping your chest lifted. Grab your toes and ankles, then slowly lift your hips into a forward fold. Repeat slowly. You're going to feel a deep stretch along your hamstrings, calves, and lower back. This pattern teaches your body how to move efficiently between deep bends and strong stands. Beginners, only squat as deep as feels comfortable. Advanced stretches keep heels flat and chest tall throughout. Did you know that deep squats preserve ankle flexibility, which most people lose by age 30? Lower a little deeper, 5 more seconds. Feel your hips prying open at the bottom. If not, widen your stance slightly. That just turned your legs. Now let's stretch even wider. Let's spread out and unlock the sides of your body. Stand tall, feet wide. Reach your hand to your left foot, then left hand to your right foot. Move slow and breathe with it. You're going to feel a deep pull across your hamstrings, inner thighs, and lower back. I promise diagonal movement patterns like this train your body to move better across planes, not just straight forward. Beginners, bend the knees slightly. Advanced stretches keep the legs straighter and the torso longer. Did you know that dynamic toe touches boost blood flow to your brain, waking you up naturally? Reach a little further, 5 more seconds. Feel that cross body pull? If not, tighten your abs slightly as you twist. That just stretched your whole backside. Now let's finish strong. Finishing with a spinal decompression that feels better than coffee. From standing, fold forward. Place your hands on your waist or lower back. Let your elbows bend and drop naturally toward the ground. You can feel a gentle pulling sensation from your lower back up to your neck. Releasing tension here will instantly improve how your back, shoulders, and even your hips feel today. Beginners, slight bended knees. Advanced stretches, straighten legs a bit more, but stay relaxed. Did you know that gravity-assisted stretches like this decompress your vertebra better than static stretches? Sink heavier, 5 more seconds. Feel your back unraveling layer by layer. Yes. If not, shake your head gently yes or no to soften even more. That just melted off tension, body and mind. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.